Hello, my name is Stanley Ogagwe and welcome to another edition of What is Trending in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. So, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's spokesman, Bayo Onanuga, in a recent interview said that he does not see the hunger and hardship that Nigerians are complaining about. I take that again. He does not see, he cannot feel the hunger and hardship that Nigerians are complaining about. In the first place, how can he see it when he is seated in air-conditioned offices, signing papers, and of course, making press statements and what have you? How can he see the hardship when he does not live in the communities with ordinary Nigerians? How can he see the hardship when he does not know how much a paste of tomato is being sold in the market? Now, there are so many things that come to mind when statements like this are made, especially in a time like this that Nigerians are going through the most difficult phase of their lives, of thanks to the wicked and cruel policies of this current administration. And then we are having a spokesperson who, rather than empathizing with Nigerians, rather in a bid to please his paymaster, turn a blind eye to the cries of Nigerians. But then I have a few questions for him. Is he aware that in Nigeria, a liter of fuel is being sold for 1,400 naira? Is Bayo Onanuga aware that a liter of kerosene is over 3,000 naira? Is Bayo Onanuga aware that the take-home of many Nigerians can no longer take their home? Is Bayo Onanuga aware that many Nigerians can no longer afford rent? Is Bayo Onanuga aware that to eat a decent meal today has become a luxury? Is Bayo Onanuga aware that even those who have cars are abandoning their cars and taking and using public transport? I am tempted to ask, do we now have another minister of lies and evil communication? Because it appears that every spokesperson who occupies that office will, ridicule Nigerians, turn a blind eye to their cries, and of course do everything to precinct the president and of course turn a blind eye to the people. Because how on earth in a country where over 140 million people are multidimensionally poor, a spokesperson of the president is saying he does not see the hunger? Of course, he cannot see the hunger because he is sitting in Aso Rock issuing lame press releases that have not in any way added value to Nigeria as a country. Bayo Onanuga, is this or are you another minister of lies and evil communication?